Have you ever opened your fridge, stared at a pile of leftovers, and thought, what am I supposed to do with this? Maybe it's last night's rice, some random veggies, or a lonely piece of chicken you couldn't finish. For most people, the solution is simple: toss it and move on. But here's the thing: what you're throwing away isn't just food. It's opportunity. Opportunity to create something extraordinary in your kitchen. Opportunity to save money. And most importantly, opportunity to make a real difference for the planet. Here's the hard truth: food waste is a silent environmental disaster. Every scrap of food that ends up in the trash doesn't just vanish, it contributes to overflowing landfills, greenhouse gas emissions, and wasted resources. But what if I told you that with just a little creativity, those leftovers could be transformed into meals so good you'd forget they were leftovers at all? It starts with changing the way we see leftovers. That rice isn't boring, it's the base for a fried rice masterpiece, spiced up with whatever's in your fridge. Those veggies, they're dying to be roasted, blended into a soup, or thrown into a frittata. Even stale bread can find new life as crispy croutons or as savory bread pudding that'll have your taste buds doing a happy dance. Turning leftovers into delicious meals isn't just a skill, it's a superpower. You're not just cooking, you're reducing waste, cutting down on grocery bills, and making a real impact on the planet. And the best part? It's easier than you think. By repurposing what you already have, you're stepping into a movement, a rebellion against waste, and a commitment to sustainability. It's not just about food, it's about mindset. About seeing potential where others see scraps. About proving that great meals don't come from fancy ingredients, they come from creativity and care. So, next time you're tempted to toss that half-eaten bowl of pasta, or the last spoonful of mashed potatoes, pause for a moment. What could it become? Because the real magic happens when we stop seeing leftovers as trash, and start seeing them as treasure. Are you ready to turn waste into wonder? Let's get cooking.